Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Bumble. You will click on settings. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will search about Bumble app. In this page of app info you will go for stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.